Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Monster handheld steamer. I don't know if you used it before, but it's very easy and very effective. It acts like a power wash but inside the house and steam instead of cold water. So the first thing that we do, the handheld steamer comes like this, and there is a hose comes with it that's attachment and a cup. So we're gonna use it by opening this valve, and then we're gonna take the water and put it inside here. Like that, and then we're gonna cover it. It is acting like a Presto. If you ever cooked with a Presto pot before, that act like it. You have to close it very well. If you don't close it very well, that can explode, so be careful with that. And then we're gonna take the hose this side, and then we're gonna do it. I'm working with just one hand, so bear with me. So that should go in here. Just to push it and tie it like that. So it's strong. Now it's strong. Now we're gonna hook it up, and you shouldn't be doing that in the sink and next to the water, but it is very clear here and I have a lot of light, so move that out of here, and then we'll leave it for a couple of minutes. The light is on, and it's gonna steam in a couple of minutes, and then you see the steam coming out of that thing. There's a couple of things here. You can push here to get the steam out like that when it boils the water first. And this one for the soap, I don't have soap right now. You can put it from the bottom here, so you can put the soap, but I did not put soap today. It's very easy. There's a button here. You can push open this chamber, put the soap there, and then you can use it while you're using this handheld. You can push it down, get the soap, and then the steam is gonna come out with the soap. Okay, so now you can hear it start, the water start boiling, and in a couple of seconds the water is gonna come out. So watch this, because this is how the water is gonna come out. I'm gonna push on this button here, like that. You can hear the water start boiling. Nothing came out yet. That means the water is not boiled enough in the temperature that it needs. And then not yet, so I'll wait a little bit, and then the steam is gonna come from this end. You have to wait for a couple of minutes. You can clean grout with it, you can clean the sink, the faucet, you can clean anything with it, some surfaces, but you have to have all the attachment to it. Right now I'm just using the hose. Now you see the steam start coming out, and I'm only using one hand, so I cannot use this hand and show you how it cleans in the same time. But let's point it to the faucet and see what's going to happen here. The steam is coming out. Very powerful, and it cleans very well. So I'm going to just point it here, and you can see the steam. It's very powerful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next tape.